Sir, again, you can video all you need to. You don't need to tell me to be quiet. Sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can just stand there. That's good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer safety.
Look at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety.
Y me quitó el teléfono, me lo tiró y me decía que me sentara y que me metiera al carro. Pero me trató muy feo, me gritó muy feo.
When the auditor began recording Officer Lloyd during a traffic stop in Taylorsville, Utah, on November 23, 2022, the officer immediately tried to obstruct the camera and restrict the filming. The First Amendment of the U.S. Constitution states, "Congress shall make no law abridging the freedom of speech or of the press," which courts have consistently interpreted to include the right to record police in public spaces. Lloyd's actions, standing in front of the camera and telling the auditor to step back unnecessarily, show a blatant disregard for this protected right. This isn't just ignorance, it's a power play by an officer who thinks he can intimidate citizens into submission, exposing his corrupt tendencies when faced with accountability.
Videotape all you want, you just step back, okay? License and registration. No, I'm on the seat. Your driver's license ID. Sir, again, you can video all you need to. You don't need to tell me to be quiet. Sir, I need you to step back.
Hola, señora. Yo hablo español también. Cálmense. Cálmense. ¿Qué está pasando?
No sé qué está pasando, no sé. Yo estaba aquí, pero no sé, me paró y no sé por qué me paró.
¿Por qué está llorando?
Porque me gritó, porque no sé qué, me iba a llamar para que me traduciera, pero me gritó, no sé por qué me gritó.
Estoy aquí para traducir, para ayudar, ¿ok? Necesito su licencia de manejar, también su aseguranza para el vehículo.
Ok, lo que pasa es que yo acabo de sacar el carro. Las aseguranzas las están haciendo hoy. Y venía para mi trabajo porque yo tengo que abrir a las 9 de la mañana.
Bueno, necesito su registro para el vehículo y aseguranza para el vehículo si tiene. ¿A dónde va?
Okay, sir, I need to have you back up.
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
Okay, you can just stand there. That's good.
Look at this guy.
Look at this guy doing traffic stop. You're right. It's officer
Look
safety.
at this guy.
Yeah.
Officer safety. What law is that?
Huh? It's
What
not
law
law.
is that?
I'm just walking on the sidewalk.
Go deal with your traffic stop. Get away from me.
I can't speak Spanish and I haven't translated.
Who are you? What's your name? What's your name?
We're good to go here.
Look at this clown.
You're right. The clown with the video.
Such an idiot, dude.
Yeah.
I saw the way you were treating her too.
Oh, you did.
Yeah.
You don't even know what's going on here, sir. So,
Check out this guy.
yeah.
Alright, we'll find out who he is. Is he a Taylorsville officer? I'm trying to, but he doesn't answer.
Well, I was trying to talk to him, sir. He didn't want to.
Hey, I don't think your chief's gonna like you acting this way. I know your chief really good.
Yeah, what's his name then?
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, you don't know his name.
Sir. Go.
Just the first. Insurance and speed. Okay.
What's your name, sir? You're a public servant?
I wish I had time just to drive around and just videotape. It'd be kind of cool to have a kind of job.
I don't even know nothing about me.
It's a nice day though. I mean, it's a little cold this morning, isn't it? Yeah. Hope it warms up a little bit. Yeah. I was thinking about going out and buying a video camera today and see if I can just parking wherever you like, sir.
The ignorance of the law is not an excuse.
Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more.
Police officer here. Do you want to identify, sir? Excuse me. You want to identify?
I'm a Taylorsville officer.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going today.
I'm not talking to you.
That's okay.
No. Can I get your name?
He just told you no.
No?
I don't have a
I'll
reason
talk
to give it
you.
to you. Thank you, though.
I asked you for your name. You're supposed to identify yourself when the public asks.
I'm a Taylorsville police
I
officer.
can read that.
He's
Can I get your name?
TY161. TY161.
That's my badge number right there.
Can I get your name?
That's as far as it's going, sir. So,
Right there.
what I can say, we're conducting.
As the auditor politely asked Officer Lloyd for his name, the officer dodged the question, even instructing his subordinate not to identify either, despite being a public servant on duty. Utah Code. Annotated Section 52-4-2, 03-4-E implies transparency in public interactions, and police department policies nationwide often require officers to identify themselves when asked by the public, especially to prevent impersonation, a crime under Utah Code Ann. Section 76-8-514. Lloyd's refusal, paired with his lack of a visible name tag, reeks of arrogance and a deliberate attempt to evade responsibility. This behavior exposes a corrupt cop who believes he's above the rules he's sworn to uphold.
An official investigation. You can interfere at this point. I've asked you to step back.
You're the one interfering with me. I was way back.
How am I interfering with you?
In front of my face.
Okay, sir. I appreciate that you've got to know and you understand the law, and I appreciate
Obviously,
that.
you don't appreciate it. You don't appreciate the First Amendment whatsoever.
Okay. Why don't you go read the First Amendment? If I restrict
Why
you or
don't you
hold
read
you,
it? Why don't you read
exactly,
it?
go with it.
I just can't believe Taylor's was acting this way.
Hey, Hood. You want to open your door? He wants to videotape your screen. That's it, Hood. Sorry. They can't. It's actually protected information there, sir.
What law is that?
It's protect. I'm just letting you know it's protected information. So
What
letting
law
the
is
officer
that?
know. No, I'm just letting you know that
Well,
that's protected.
I'll let
We're
you
letting-
know that it's your job to protect that, not my job.
Yeah, it is.
You want to start all over? You want to give me your name?
Oh, well, we've already started. When I first started talking to you, you didn't want to talk here, and you're actually not part of the situation. I asked you to step away. You chose not to.
Please step away. I wasn't close to you. I was way far away.
Okay,
From you.
so actually,
You came up to me and you got in front of me.
Okay.
Didn't you?
That's all
Didn't
right.
you?
That's okay.
Didn't you?
That's okay.
It's not okay. Are you from Taylorsville?
Right now, I'm in West Valley.
I said,
If I cross the road over there, that's Taylorsville. If I jump over here, I get over to West Valley over here.
You are? See how snotty you are? Simple question I'm asking. Are you from Taylorsville, please? He was screaming at that lady. That's what she was crying. He was just yelling at her. She was asking for someone who speaks Spanish. He was just yelling at her. We did a good job. That's what you gotta do. Shut it down so no one see the information. That's what you gotta do. Got enough strain on this officer here. This officer here, and the scared the hell out of her. That's what he did. He just scared her. Probably gets a kick out of scaring women.
I'll after now. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, but so for you being the only professional, can I get your name? I'm not talking to you, sir. I'm talking to him. Can I get your name, badge? I'll talk to your chief right now. I'm gonna go over there fucking training you guys.
Okay.
Can I get your name?
Sir, I'm not really dealing with you. The traffic
Asking
stop.
for your name. As a member of the public, I'm asking for a name. Okay.
My badge number is right here for you.
So you're not gonna give me your name?
No.
I give up the question. This guy's a jerk. Man, I thought he was gonna beat her up. That's why I came out right away. I don't know. He was following her, and then I saw he was following her, so I came in here, and as soon as I pulled up, he had his hand on his gun, walking towards her. He so violence toward her, but because he was yelling at her.
Oh yeah.
That's why she started crying.
I was sitting inside and I told her I heard someone yelling at me. And I was like,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah, if you guys ever see something like that, take out your phone and start recording.
The traffic stop itself revealed Officer Lloyd's aggressive tactics as he yelled at a woman who struggled with English, allegedly for speeding and not having a license plate, despite her temporary registration being clearly visible. Utah Code, annotated Section 41-1, A-202 allows a grace period for registering new vehicles, meaning this stop was questionable from the start. The auditor caught Lloyd approaching her with his hand on his gun, terrifying her to tears, which points to an abuse of power rather than a routine enforcement. This exposure of Lloyd's bullying tactics against a vulnerable person shows a corrupt cop hiding behind his badge to harass instead of protect.
Alright guys, look at her. She's terrified right now. She is crying and crying. This guy, this officer, undercover guy, treated her like if she's a criminal, like she just committed a crime, that she just murdered somebody. I caught him walking towards her with his hand on his gun. Okay, ¿qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que pasó? ¿Qué fue lo que él hizo a usted cuando llegó a su carro, a la puerta?
Comenzó a gritarme como un loco y gríteme, me quitó el celular. Me decía que no puede, es que no sé inglés. Yo le decía, voy a llamar a alguien para que me traduzca, o sea, como que no es pánico. Comenzó a gríteme. Y me quitó el teléfono, me lo tiró y me decía que me sentara y que me metiera al carro. Pero me trató muy feo, me gritó muy feo. Me gritaba y yo le decía que esperara, que ya iba a llamar a alguien para que me traduciera, y él me seguía gritando y me quitó el teléfono.
En algún momento él la agarró a usted de la mano.
Sí, me agarró y me tiró a la silla del carro para que me sentara.
Él la puchó a usted.
Sí, para que me sentara.
So, él de su pecho.
Y me quitó de la mano y me quitó el teléfono y me lo tiró.
Y lo puso arriba
puso arriba del carro y yo le decía que me lo pasara y me decía que no. Cuando el otro policía llegó, me dijo que él me había parado porque el carro no tenía placa, pero es que él tiene el permiso ahí atrás, que él no lo vio, que él no había visto el permiso y el permiso está ahí atrás.
Entonces no le dieron ni ticket ni nada.
Sí.
¿Qué le dieron? ¿De qué?
Ahí lo tengo. Porque me dijo que venía en la Van Airport a 70 cuando...
Oí que las personas que estaban en el restaurante aquí adentro hasta salieron para afuera porque
gritó muy duro.
Estaba gritando muy duro, ¿verdad? Y entonces en ningún momento él le quiso ayudar ni nada.
Me gritaba y solo me gritaba.
Alright, so the reason why we did the traffic stop, it was because there's no license plate on the vehicle. Okay, but there's the permit right there. It's right there. Okay, so that was the reason for the traffic stop. And then after he saw that, he told her that she was going over the speed limit.
After realizing his actions were being recorded, Officer Lloyd had another officer issue the ticket, likely to distance himself from the incident, even though his face is all over the Taylorsville Police Department's social media. The Utah Open Records Act, Utah Code, and Section 63-G-2-201 ensures public access to government records, making it impossible for Lloyd to fully escape scrutiny. His attempt to shift blame while continuing to act like a tyrant proves he's more interested in self-preservation than serving the public. Thanks to the auditor from Utah Cop Watch, this corrupt cop's exposure is a win for transparency, reminding us that recording is a powerful tool to hold power accountable. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.